We all appreciate great service, and that's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they've received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.